I wasn't trying to use it for a damn. Wasn't trying to use it for a goddamn. You know, well, I wasn't trying to use it for company, honey. I might need to open this shit now. It's big enough. Right here. It's big enough right here. This right here. I gonna use that. I gonna use that for company, but honey, I need to put that in my goddamn bed. Oh, shit up in here.
The hell? Meg, it's cold in there?
What?
You said it's cold?
It's cold in here. Yeah, it's cold in here. So it's cold. Shit up in here. Freezing.
What is the heat on?
Huh?
What is the heat on?
Shit, low as fuck.
Oh, hell no.
They control the damn heat. If I had control the damn heat, it'd be 90 to 100 of this motherfucker. I control the damn heat. I ain't playing.
Goddamn, man, you had that on 90 in the summertime. Shit.
You don't control it. They control it. They control it. Good.
Come on, 90. You had that shit on 90 in the summertime.
I want to control my own goddamn. I want to control my own shit.
You got enough blankets?
That's dangerous.
How many blankets you got?
Dangerous. Huh?
You got a heater in there?
A quarter one. Oh, I know that I do. Yeah, I know. I think that happens. I know that I do. It's this air conditioner right here. It's on the thing by the damn window. It's all outside. It's all outside.
You need a heater.
No, the AC, you got a big hole.
Goddamn, do like the people in New York and the Bronx. Goddamn it.
Get outside. Get outside.
Do like the people in the Bronx. Goddamn, open up the goddamn oven. Turn that shit on broil.
Do like this. You do like this now. That's the work. That's the work.
Open up the door. Shit.
So hopefully that might work. I'll put a blanket over the damn AC thing. Broken in goddamn way.
Why would the fucking AC be on? And
AC broken. But the thing is they put it through the hole. Is you can sit outside. The air coming through there.
What the hell? I can't see. I don't got my glasses on.
You can see the thing. I put that cover it up because there's holes in there. It's cold over here. You see that damn outside? The goddamn.
Oh.
You sit outside in that mother.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
Oh, the whole air comes from that goddamn window.
Well, they didn't take that shit up out of there.
It don't work. It don't work, so they need to.
No, we got to call them. Don't worry about it. I'm going to have to call them Monday. They're going to take that shit up out of there. And they turn that motherfucking heat up.
So they can't. It's already preset. When they turn it on, preset when they turn it on.
Preset to what? They need to let y'all know what it's preset to.
Shit, pipe 40. Let's go shit in here.
Maggie, 40 is not no goddamn heat. You gotta get some heaters. Shit. Fuck that.
I got the quarters too. It ain't washed yet. I wash when you get close to my events.
The hell?
I probably wash Sunday. Maybe I have some good clean warm clothes when I go to the damn doctors next week. Wash Sunday, but we ain't washing the hell now. I'm a damn show. I ain't paying up.
No, they're gonna fix that shit. Fuck that. No, they're not gonna do that shit. They're gonna fix that ASAP. And they're gonna turn that motherfucking heat up. Especially they got elderly people in that building and stuff too.
They got something.
At least that shit needs to be on 80.
Nothing to do with the landlord. It got something to do with the people that own this goddamn place.
I don't give a damn. If they do, I tell them too. That shit needs to be at least like 79, 80. It is winter time.
You got nothing to do with the landlord. Tell you that.
Nah, because they try to be cheap. They looking out for themselves.
But maybe they say you live in damn near cheap any goddamn way. Everything including the fucking rent.
Well, then maybe they need to go on the goddamn news. They get exposed. That's what that probably need to be. That's what probably need to happen.
Maybe say we ain't paying for goddamn. We don't got maybe because it's including goddamn rent. Cause we damn sure pay gas. We don't pay heat. We don't pay.
It don't matter if it's included or whatever. They still need to abide by the city laws. They got guidelines they need to follow by.
This is some sour sugar glitter though. I eat it raw. Cause I took that with the building inspector in. Ain't got nothing to do with the landlord, I tell you that. She's gonna tell you the same damn thing.
Oh, you said the building inspector? That's even worse. They definitely gonna get fired.
The people that own the people that own the building. The building manager ain't the damn landlord. That's the damn show.
Oh yeah, that makes it even worse. That make it even better.
I got something to do with her. Who knows?
It makes it even better. Don't worry about it. They can treat people like that. No, ain't the elderly people in your building?
No, too.
Exactly.
Sometimes kids too. They got to get.
Exactly. Just unbelievable. I know the guidelines.
I mean glitter, y'all. Glitter. Like that. I mean glitter. See that? You want some?
Meg, why you eat glitter?
It's good. Want some?
Make it stop.
Want some?
If that's not edible, don't eat that.
It's good. Want some? Want some glitter?
No.
It's edible. Edible glitter, honey. You see that? Can you see that? This glitter, blue raspberry, candy, and sour dip.
Oh, okay. Lord have mercy.
I hate fake around and think that might think it's goddamn real.
You had to take that off.
Candy glitter. It's candy glitter. It's candy glitter. Hold your horses. Hold your horses for the file. If you got one.
Yeah, they'll run with that. They'll take the first thing to make that stuff look good.
I'm eating glitter moss, eating glitter. Look at my glitter moss glitter. Mmm. 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 Good ass glitter, honey. Glitter.
Lord.
God. Right, y'all. It's only candy glitter. It's candy glitter. Candy and sour glitter blueberry.
Right, Miss Boss.
It's candy glitter, y'all. Candy glitter. Sookie Jam, you see it? Sookie Jam. I had a
Miss
Sookie.
Boss, because I was ready to
I ate that
feel
when the
like
first
they
game.
was going to run with that story.
I ate it when the first game. I ate it when the first game.
But they still go probably try to run with it.
It probably is.
Just to get views.